This is one of the most beautiful trailer we made for our client. Let's see what's inside. Here we make a stage convenient to step inside the kitchen. And the first part, here comes the water pumping system. Here we see a very big water sink with stainless steel water tank underneath. And here we put the beer tanks with two different flavors of beer. Here's a salad fridge.